Okay guys, we're back for another project. I have my nephew Jaden here, and we are going to make another paper airplane. We're going to do a little bit different than the last ones that we did. Okay, so grab a piece of paper, whether it be scrap paper, notebook paper, line paper, drawing paper, or an old piece of mail that you are going to throw out, and then you can start with us. Okay, first we're going to fold our paper in half. Long ways. Remember, line up your first corner, and once you line up your first corner, keep your paper pinched, and then this one will slide. Once you slide it, you can slide it right into place. Once you do that, you put your thumbs down. Okay, twist your finger over, put it in the center of your paper right here, and then you can take your thumbs off, and you take one finger, you slide it down, or in Jaden's case, up. Take one finger and slide that up. Perfect. Now you go like this. You're gonna take your finger, you're gonna slide it across your paper like this. So go from the center and start sliding into your corners so your paper does not move. This holds your paper so it's super straight. If it moves, then your crease is gonna be in the wrong spot, which will make your corners not line up as well as they could. Okay, there you go. Perfect. Now open it up. Turn it long ways, portrait style. We are actually going to, we're going to fold it in half again, but the opposite direction. Okay, same thing. Make your first corner line up, then you can slide this into place. Boom. Down. Start sliding down away from your center finger. Okay. You're gonna make that crease a little bit right here, but start creasing it this way. Now you got to do that last corner. Perfect. All right, open your paper. Now you have a line down the middle here, line down the middle here. Now this bottom side, turn your paper long or tall ways. Okay, this bottom half, we're gonna fold this into the halfway. So there's that halfway crease. So you're just gonna fold this little spot right here. Okay.
Up to right here.
Up to that line, correct. Just make sure that that line, perfect. Now hold this right here with one finger, and now do the same thing. You drag down, and then you can continue to follow all those lines to make your crease. Now this one's gonna get a little bit repetitive. We're gonna open it again. So now you have two big rectangles here, two small rectangles here, two small rectangles here. What we're gonna do the same thing we just did here, but we're gonna do it right in this little small spot. So we're gonna fold this line, straight up, and it's gonna go to that little crease that we just made.
This one?
Right. Then you're gonna hold it, make your crease. Perfect. Open that. Okay, so now in this big rectangle, because you got the big rectangle, the medium-sized rectangles, and the four small ones. The big rectangle, you're gonna fold that down and make sure that this line lines up with your middle crease, your center crease, or your line of symmetry. Hold that top corner, that paper down, and just drag your finger. Perfect. Now you see how this lifts up? Keep your thumb here and keep this here. Take this finger and and slide it up this way. Okay, let's fix this one because this might crease. So what you're gonna do is you have this here, you can hold that and then slide up. Once you slide up, then you can start going there, and that just makes it a better crease.
That's what happens when I do. It like lifts up.
Gotcha. Okay, same thing with the other side. I'm gonna fold it in. Make it line up with that crease in the middle. So you're gonna make it look more like a house or a building. Big triangle on top. So we're gonna leave it like that. Okay. That's good. So now you're gonna take these. This corner is gonna line up, and this edge is gonna line up in the middle again. So we're gonna do the same thing we just did, but it's gonna be a little bit different of a shape because the triangles are smaller. Okay? So we're gonna fold this and roll it over to the middle line. Perfect, but make this line up with that middle line. Once you get that straight, then you can hold it down. I like to hold it like this, stretch your 2 fingers. Okay, this will roll. That's perfect. And now take this finger, pinch right here, and roll up. Now you can start doing your crease because that'll make it a straight crease. Sometimes if we just do our crease here, then it'll kind of mess up the bottom side, or if we do our crease here, it'll mess up the top side. We're gonna do the same thing that we did right here. We're gonna do it on this left side. So we're gonna fold this over. Okay. Do 2 like this. And now start going away from your thumb. That'll get you a nice crease again. So it should start looking like a big triangle. It's got 2 little flat edges right here. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this flap and we're gonna flap it up like this. Should already have a crease, so it's fine. Just make that crease a little tight again. Okay.
Are these gonna do anything in those ones?
I don't think so. I'm not sure. We'll figure it out.
You have them, but mine are like a little bit.
Alright.
They're more cuts.
Yeah. We'll see. I think it shows on the last little bit of the actual plane itself, but we'll see. Okay, so now you have a center crease, and it should fold in half pretty easily. So you just fold it in half just to make sure your crease lines up. Kind of give it a reinforcement, drag finger, make it nice and tight. Perfect. So now,
Does this have to be bent?
yeah, that's fine. Okay, turn it like this so it matches mine. Flip it, there you go. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this and we're gonna start making our wings. So we're gonna fold this down, okay? Leave a little bit here so it's has a place where you can hold it when you're throwing it. So you're gonna line this wing up with this little line right
With what line?
here. That line right there, you're gonna line it up. So I don't want it like this where this little triangle sticking out. I want it to be flat, even with it. Because once I do that, that means that this line is gonna be even. You should fold it down. Yeah, and you should fold it down a little bit more. There you go, perfect. Line it up right there, perfect. Now hold that, pinch that right there. Thumb, your finger, and then that's where you can take your other finger. Push right across. Okay.
Like this?
Yep. Now the easier side is this side, because what we're gonna do is we're gonna flip it, make it look this way, okay? And then we're gonna take this side and we're gonna fold it down, but what we're gonna do is we're gonna match up the edges to make it symmetrical. You remember what symmetrical means?
Like exactly the same.
Exactly the same. Symmetrical means the same, okay? So once you pinch this, make sure your wings are the same size. So line your wing up with the wing behind it at the bottom, okay? And then you can start making your crease. After we finish building these, we're gonna color them.
When I color my airplanes, I usually do it first because I feel like it's harder to color them when they're in the airplane shape.
It is a little harder to color them when they're in the airplane shape already, because then you have the folds and all that, okay? But what happens is, if you color an entire sheet of paper, if you're doing a specific design, then what you want to be seen, yep, what you want seen might not show up in the final product. So, okay, so once you have this, the last step, those are the wings that are gonna fold back up, but the last step is to take this little piece right here, you have these two little pieces right here, and this is what you're gonna do. The bottom right there. Okay, watch this. You're gonna take this flap, you're gonna flap it up. Now see, it has a little corner right here where your hand is, right there, perfect. Flap it up and then put a crease on that. Once you're done with that, turn it over, do the same thing to the other one. Boom. And that's it. We are done with our plane. Now if you open it, you can hold it, and then you gotta make sure that these stand up. There you go. See those two lines that you were asking? Now it looks like there's an X, because there's two lines of paper sticking up, but then there's also these two X's right there. So that's it. There you go. That's our paper airplane this week. Pretty cool one. Now we're gonna color it. Okay guys, so just as you guys have seen in the prior videos, these are just our different designs that we've done. We're gonna go ahead and do a different design on our two. This is mine, this is Jaden's, and we're gonna color and just hang out. So just get some ideas. If you wanna follow us with our design, go ahead. If not, make whatever design. If you like these designs better, go ahead and make those. So have fun, enjoy yourself. We're gonna get started, okay? All right, so another thing, like you said, you like to do it while it's open. So what you can do is, if you would like to kind of unfold it a little bit, then you'll be a little bit easier to color. Okay.
I might try it just like this.
Cool. All right. So we put tape on our paper airplanes to hold them. It kind of just helps them fly better. And I'll show you what I'm talking about. Yes, you can use brown. So I can't open this because I put tape. See, I put tape right there at the nose, and I put tape back here, so hold it in place. So when you throw it, it doesn't open up, because if it opens up, then it's not going to get the full motion. I did it to all of our paper airplanes. And it just helps it. I also put, like on this flat one, a piece across the front so the nose doesn't open up, and causes less friction. Boom, there you go. There's our planes. Remember, these flaps, you could either leave them down or you can lift them up like we did. Okay.
We're gonna test them.
We're gonna test both of them. And Jaden was not here when we made all of these fun guys. So we're actually gonna go play with all of them. Okay, you guys have a good one, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks. Bye.
Bye.